Hello, my name's Marcel and I work here at the Roastery and Bella Barista, and what I'd like to do is show you this fantastic new machine that we've just received from our suppliers in Italy. It's called the Astoria Greta, and what's so special about this machine is that we can set it up in your office within 10 minutes and we can be making fantastic coffee. This is a proper barista style machine with a reservoir on the top. So we simply pour water into the reservoir at the back here, 5 litres of water, which should do most office type environments for a good day's coffee making. We've got a key on the top to lock that so nobody can tamper with it, which is a great feature. But essentially this is a true professional barista machine. It's going to give you much better interaction and results than what you'd get from a bean to cup machine. So here we go, I'll show you the simple features on it. We've got hot water on the side here, so we can use it for tea as well as just coffee. We've got fully programmed buttons here to make life simple. We've got the shelf to have smaller espresso sized cups, and that obviously folds up so that we can fit nice big takeaway cups underneath as well. And then we've got this really powerful steam wand as well. The build quality is incredible. It's a really sturdy, solid machine that you can really get the whole barista experience from. So let me show you how easy it is. We've paired it up with a nice Eureka Mignon Silenzio coffee grinder, 50mm burrs. Does a beautiful job of grinding the coffee, as you can see. There's no mess, no static. There we go. So freshly ground coffee, simple tamp into the machine, put the cup under, and then press the double espresso button. So I'm actually making a double espresso this time. You can also make single espressos, no problem. So whilst the coffee's being extracted, I'll put the milk in the jug. And this is the bit we all love doing. Steaming the milk. Got a really powerful steam wand on this for a small compact machine. It's the best we've ever seen. Absolutely incredible. As fast as any 2-group commercial machine. So there we go. That's the milk. Always keep the steam tip clean. So we've got a lovely double espresso. There we go, fantastic coffee. Simple, great machine for you to engage in real coffee in the workplace. And there you have it. Okay, so the key facts are, if you're interested in one of these machines, we need no plumbing. All we need is a 13-amp plug within a metre of where the machine goes. We've got a stunning real barista commercial machine here and grinder that will come as a package and be set up in 10 minutes. So if you're concerned about how to operate the machine, we've got a full academy training facility here at Bella Barista, and we will happily train you and your staff how to use this fantastic machine. Within half an hour you'll be pouring beautiful coffees just like we did in the video.